Changing your username on Grubhub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visit the Grubhub website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap on the profile icon or menu and select account. On the website, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and choose account. Step 3. Find username option. Look for the option to edit your username. This may be listed under personal information or a similar section within your account settings. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any specified criteria, such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, save the changes. You may need to confirm your password or verify the change through an email or notification. Once you have completed these steps, your Grubhub username will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub support for assistance.